So today I'm going to show you how to reset forgotten Roblox password. You forget your password on Roblox. How do you reset it? Or you do not have access to your account anymore. How do you claim your account? To get started, you're going to open your Roblox account. Now you can see, so I do not have any access to my account and I know remember the password. So all you need to do is click on sign in. Now you're going to see forget password. You can see, just click on forgotten password. Okay, it's going to ask you to which account do you forget the password. Click on forgetting password, and here you have to recover your Roblox account. Is the email you want to use or your phone? So I'm going to use email. So type in the email that you used to sign in to your Roblox. After that, click on submit. So Roblox is going to send a code to your email directly. Click on OK. Then you go to your email to go and get the code. So once you go to your email to get the code, then you can use the code to sign in directly. So I'm going to open my Gmail. And this is it. You can see, click on OK here. And here you can see reset password, and just click on reset password. Automatically you'll be able to reset your password. It's very easy. So guys, if you find this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.